In today's video, I'll show you how to make money with the Builderall digital marketing tool. So for those who don't know, Builderall digital marketing tool is used to run an online business, to create landing pages, to build websites or even blogs, and also to run email marketing campaigns. Alright, so I'll show you proof of sales. So go to menu, go to affiliate. Alright, it's loading. This system is so fast. Alright, so first of all, this is the affiliate link and I'll copy it. In the meantime, we're gonna need it. Alright, so as you can tell, I've cashed out $1,000. This is pending and I have this available that I can cash out anytime I want. This is the best affiliate program I've ever joined because as an affiliate, you are entitled to 100% of your first sale, then 30% for life. Alright, so I'll show you some of the sites I've created with this. Alright, so click tools. Alright, so the Cheetah website builder is the main tool that you're gonna use to create your website, your landing pages, your blogs, and stuff like that. And mailing box is included in your plan, so you don't need to pay a third party to run your email marketing campaigns. So with this, you can do your email automation, and this is the main reason why I joined Builderall. Alright, because when you check ClickFunnels, for instance, you are only paying for this and it's like $97, which is too much for beginners. Alright, not to say that ClickFunnels is not good, it's good, but the price is a bit high for beginners. Alright, you have a webinar builder and custom email, so like you can create your professional email address here. So but I'll show you in a bit. So let's go into this. For instance, right click and open a new tab. I don't want to lose it. Alright, so it's loading. This is really fast, so I'm not so worried about it. Alright, so as you can tell, these are the sites I've created so far with this. Okay, so I'll show you some of them. For instance, so alright, so let's check this. For instance, so I'll go to website. Alright, so this is the site I've created. So this simple landing page. Do you want to grow your YouTube channel? Alright, and I've embedded my affiliate link on this, so I'll close it. Let's see, there's one I want to show you. Okay, so let's see this one, work from home. Okay, so this is an affiliate program I'm promoting. So let's say when you click here, you have to enter your email address before you can get access to the product, and later on I can promote other products relating to affiliate marketing. Okay, the builder also, when people click here, they're gonna go to the Builderall website, and at the same time free YouTube tutorials. This takes you to my main YouTube page, okay, which is Blogzone. Okay, so just for you to know like some of the things you can do with it. This one too, let's see, I got this one. Okay, this is just a simple site for weight loss. Okay, and I'm promoting affiliate programs with it, and this is affiliate program. Okay, simple but really nice, but I'll show you in a minute. So let me show you quick the mailing box. Alright, so this is the email marketing campaign tool or feature. So this is where you're gonna create all your stuff, and I'll show you. Alright, so this is something new. This one I've captured 2 so far, and this I've captured 37. So even this I can run campaigns, and this I have 2 so far. Alright, so let's check the plans before I will show you some of the tutorials and how I make this money. Alright, so at the moment you have the Cheetah website plan. You have $16.90, Marketer $76.90, Premium $87.90, and the Funnel Club. This is like the agency. You can do so many things with this plan. So let's scroll down, and these are all the features. Like I said, I have tutorial on this already, so I don't want to get into this. Alright, so if you are interested, I'll put the link in the description box. Continue with the process. Alright, so now I'll show you how I promote this product. So YouTube is my #1 traffic source. First of all, I'll show you my channel. Alright, so Blogstorm, then these are the videos I have. Alright, and I'll show you the playlist. Let me see the Builderall playlist. So I have 2. I have the Builderall Cheetah website builder and the 5.0. I mean, basically they are all the same to me. So go here. Alright, so these are some of the tutorials I have. these are all my tutorials. Now I'll show you how I create these tutorials for the purpose of earning a sale or earning a commission. Alright, so I'll go back to YouTube. Alright, so this is how I target specific traffic. So I'll go, these are all potential keywords that you can target. These are the keywords that people are searching for. So Build Our Affiliate Program, which is what I'm doing now. Okay, and I have a video on that as well. The Build Our Review, which is the main video you have to create. People who watches Build Our Review, they are ready to subscribe to Build Our, but they want to get some insight about the platform. All right, so Build Our 4.0 review. Is it worth it compared with ClickFunnels and Kartra? So let me show you. So as you can tell here, Build Our Sales Funnel. This tutorial, I showed you everything you need to know and how to create email list, email sequence, and connect to Build Our Cheetah, Build Our landing page. All right, how to connect your domain, how to create and verify a professional email, and setting up mailing bots in Build Our. Okay, then what happened is, let me show you quick. And I type, so let's say Build Our landing page. All right, so I'm on the front page. Okay, see, this is another landing page. Landing page from me. With this, you can tell I'm all over the place. Now, I'll show you something quick. So let's say, for instance, if I click on this and I'll pause it, I have ad running on this, which is also another source of income. When you click here, see Build Our. So I've cloaked my affiliate link because you don't want to drop it directly here. Okay. So when people click here, they're going to end up on the Build Our website. And that's how I earn my commission if they subscribe to the program, okay, or subscribe to this tool. And make sure you have your affiliate disclaimer here, okay. With the affiliate link, before you start promoting it, I'll show you what to do. Click here and go to bit.ly, and all right, so this is a platform that you can use to shorten your links, okay. So let me close this, drop your link, okay, and just click on shorten. Then when you shorten, it's gonna shorten it, then you copy. I don't want to do that because I've done it already. It's gonna look something like this, okay, with some numbers. But if you have account which is free, you can customize it, all right, to the product you are selling or whatever. But in this way, I'm just using it to capture subscribers. All right, so something like this. So that's my first traffic method. And second, these are some of my tweets. I'll show you quick. Yeah, so you see this. Once in a while, you can create this in Canva and you just write something about Build Our, then you just drop your link. Okay, that's another way. Also, I use Medium, and I'll show you quick. These are the traffics. All right, so this is Medium. So when you come here and you type Build Our, and enter, let's see if you can. So see right here, 5 things I like about Build Our marketing software. So you see when people click here, okay, they can read the story. Okay, so this is the story, but at the end, I have my link. You can click on Build Our and then chip to find out more. So right here, I have my affiliate link embedded, and this is Namecheap, another affiliate program I'm promoting. So I'm promoting 2 things at the same time. And guess what? You need your affiliate disclaimer. The links above have affiliate referral codes, but I need to add disclaimer here. I'll do that correction later. All right, that's another way I promote Build Our. So let me just close it. The next one I would like to show you is Quora. So Quora is another traffic method that I like to leverage. So this is how I do it. But with Quora, you cannot drop your affiliate link directly here. So you just have to create a landing page or direct people to a main article or something like that. So this is like a question and answer platform, and I'll come on it and just answer some of the questions. And at the end, and I'll say for more information on this topic, here to read on. So then when they click, it's bringing them here, and that's what Quora want. Then access the Builder homepage. Okay, so then when they click here, it's taking them straight to the Builder platform. Alright, so this is how I promote Builder, and as you can tell, you have to put in the work. It's not just automatic. If you are interested in it, I'll put the link in the description box. And if you liked this video, please comment and tell me what you think about this video. If you have questions, please comment. This will help this video reach to many people. Alright, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe as well. Until next time, take care and have a wonderful day. Bye for now.